Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about Terraform functions. Okay, so if you are already aware of Terraform function in Python, Java or any other language, so the same we are also referring here as well. But like Terraform does not support user defined function. Okay, so whatever built-in function is available that you can use for your use cases in Terraform. Okay, so let's understand these things practically as well as theoretically. Okay, so basics of function. A function is a block of code that perform a specific task. Okay, so I have the diagram here that input is 10, 30 and 20. We are using max function here and the output is 30. Okay, so what we can do, let's go to VS Code here. I have the simple snippet that is creating EC2 instance. So let me open the terminal here. Okay, and to test any function we have to use Terraform console. Okay, so what command will run? Terraform console. Okay, let's hit enter. So Terraform console is getting open, so let's wait for some time. So it's taking a bit more time, so let's wait. Okay, so now it's available. Okay, so I am using max. Okay, then after that I am going to give any random number. Okay, and if I hit enter, it is giving the maximum value out of this value. Okay, so this is the giving greatest value. Okay, so that is 89, right? So if we use min function, okay, give the any random number, press enter, so we are getting the lowest number, right? And that is 34 in our case. Okay, so let's go back to the document. So we have already seen, okay, this function max function, right? So there is one another function, that is file function. Okay, so what we need to do? File function will do like it will read the content of any file and it will give you an output of as an whatever content inside the file. Okay, so let me create one file here. Okay, test.txt. let me save it. Okay, so what I will do, I will write something here. Hi, I am learning Terraform file function. Okay, let me save this. Okay, and if we have to call this file, whatever content inside this file, how we can use file function? First we have to write file, then we have to use bracket here, curly bracket, then we have to use double quotes. Okay, and the path, first we have to define the dot because our file exists in this repository only, then forward slash and then the file name, that is test.txt, right? And if I press enter, whatever content we have here, okay, that will get as shown as a output. Sorry. Okay, So there is one mistake in while calling the file function I did. Okay, so I have to use curly braces, double quotes and dot /, then test.txt, then I forgot to use double quotes. Okay, so that's why it's throw an error. So let me hit enter here now. So as we can see the output, whatever content we have here, right? So hi, I am learning Terraform file function here. So whatever content we have written here, the same thing we are getting as a output, right? So let's go back to the document again. Okay, so introducing Terraform Console. Terraform Console provide an interactive environment especially designed to test function, experiment with expression before integrating them into your code. Okay, so we can use Terraform Console to test our function, how it's behaving and what are the use cases of the function. Okay, so one of the major uses of the file function, that if we want to have a large amount of policy, okay, then we can create separate file for policy and we can call like this. Okay, as we have called here the file function, right? We have written something under this test.txt and we have called here using file function. The same is explained here. So we have one policy here, right? And in the resource we are not defining all the policy to make our Terraform script more readable and easy to understand. Okay, so here file function is getting the policy from this, okay, from here. Okay, and the code looks more easy to understand and readable as well. Okay, and it's also look more dynamic. Okay, so this is the more one of the most useful and important use of file function. Okay, so function in Terraform. Okay, so Terraform has wide variety of function available to achieve different set of use cases. So function are grouped into the categories. Some of these include, so we have function category and we have function available. So there is a lot of function that Terraform offer that you can use to achieve your use cases. So we have numeric function, that is abs, cell, floor, max, min. A string function, concat, replace, split, to lower, to upper, and collection function, element, keys, length, merge, sort, and file function, file base 64 and directory name. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the to lower and to upper function as well. Okay, so I am creating the EC2 instance here. So what I will do, I will add tag. Okay, so tags and the curly braces, and then after that I will name it. Name is equal to, okay, whatever name we want. So what name we want? So first I will use upper, that is the function, right? And under upper we have to define the name of the instance we want, right? So I will use my hyphen instance. Let me save it. Okay, and let me come out from the Terraform console. Sorry. Okay, so let me run Terraform init quickly. Okay, so now let's run Terraform plan to see how our function is getting called and what it's doing actually. Okay, so let's run Terraform plan. So let's wait for few more seconds. Okay, why it's taking too much time? Okay, come on. Okay, yeah, it's, we go ahead, let's see. Okay, so what we wanted to, so we can see the like name of the instance, okay, is my instance in all caps, right? That is the use of upper function. Whatever name we have, it will, upper function will convert the name in the upper case, upper letter, in capital letter. Okay, so as we can see it here, so this is the use case of upper function. Okay, so suppose if we change it to lower, okay, and if we give my like this, okay, and I will save it. If we run Terraform plan again, so let's see how our function is getting called and what it's doing. So now it will change this name into the lower case. So even we have defined in the capital letter in the upper case, it will change it to in lower case. So let's the Terraform plan run first, then we'll see the plan. Okay, okay, so Terraform plan already ran. So let's go to the tag section. So as you can see, the tag all and the name is my instance. Even we have defined the name into the upper case, but the lower function convert the upper case name into the lower case name, lower case letter. Okay, so this is the use case of upper and lower function in Terraform. So let's go back to the document here. So I am not going to explain all the function, okay, one by one, and like whatever function are really needed in the Terraform, okay, so I will create separate video, and whenever we are learning things, we'll cover the things Terraform function by one in the upcoming video. Okay, so whatever function are mandatory and required to learn the Terraform, so I will cover in the upcoming video that functions. Okay, so one important point, the Terraform language does not support user defined function, and so only the function built into the language are available to use. Okay, so you cannot define your you cannot define your custom function. Okay, you cannot define it and you cannot use it with Terraform. So whatever function are already available, what are the built-in function are already available, that you can use. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.